So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your laptop from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, turn it off and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when you turn your computer on, it will now take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And then once you're on this, I'm going to be showing you 5 different methods on how you can fix this problem. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start to Repair. If you do not see Start to Repair, you want to click on SEAM Recovery Options, then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Start to Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. Hopefully this would have fixed your problem. If it didn't, then you want to click on Advanced Options again. And now for the second method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, then we're going to go with System Restore. If you have any restore points enabled, then you want to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. This should now fix your problem. If you don't have any restore points, we're going to click on Cancel. And now for the third method, you want to go with Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, then you want to go with Uninstall Updates. You can now go with the latest quality update first. You want to click on this, and then click on Uninstall. If that does not work, then you want to uninstall the latest feature updates. Try to uninstall this one, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in C:, click on Enter. And now we're going to type in cd space / Windows / System32 / config. Click on Enter again. And now we're going to type in md space backup. Click on Enter again. And now we're going to type in copy space ** space backup. Click on Enter again. And now we're going to type in cd space regback. Click on Enter again. And now we're going to type in copy space ** space ... Click on Enter again. And now you're going to type in A and then click on Enter again. Now you're going to close out of Command Prompt. You can now continue to Windows, and then this should now fix your problem. And if that's still not working for the next method, you want to come back into this screen. Now you want to click on Troubleshoot and then reset this PC. If you have your files backed up, you want to go remove everything. If you do not, then you want to go and keep my files. You want to reset your PC. This should now fix your problem.